Are you still using mockups like this for your design projects? In this video, I have come up with something way more interesting. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Mockups are a great way to make your products stand out. But what if the mockups are not just static but animated? It will add an extra charm to your designs. In this video, I'll share with you an amazing website where you can generate some amazing animated mockups in no time. So let's head over to the browser and search for mockrocket.io. Click on Get Started for free. It will open up this interface. Here, you can choose from different animated templates. Once you select your design, all you have to do is just drag your video over here. Now, click on play and just look at the amazing results it produced. Click on export and that's it. You can even create your own device animations over here. Just choose your device, add the animations, choose the background, camera, light and shadows as per your preference. And your animated mockup will be ready. Although the video comes with a watermark, you can remove it with a one-time payment. So, do check this amazing website and let us know if you find this helpful. Also, for more such content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.